Tooling. We're here at the World of Concrete 2016, and we are proud to introduce the Beast. This is the electric version of the Beast, both in three-phase and dual-phase. And we just want to show the versatility and the innovation that we put into the Beast. The first thing we want to show is this is a 12-inch shroud with a 12-inch plate that comes standard with the Beast. It's got 6 metal-bond diamonds. These are the same diamonds that you would use on the middle of the floor, that you would do your edge work. Therefore, your edge work is going to blend beautifully. Now, the genius and the patented design behind the Beast is our ability to move the head literally left or right to get to zero tolerance edging. And when we talk about zero tolerance edging, we mean literally right up against the wall. Literally, I can get into the wall if I wanted to. Jeremiah is with Dynamic Diamond Tooling. He's our sales rep for the southeastern portion, and he's going to help me out here. Jeremiah, let us move the head left or right. So what he's doing is he's loosening the head on the top there, just a quarter turn. And now, if you would, Drew, you might want to come up here a little bit, just so that folks on the video can get a closer look at this. And you can start seeing, as he's moving, notice that the head is starting to move to the right. So the entire head is moving to the right, literally to the point where the diamonds are outside of the shroud. So we can pull the rubber down, and it becomes sacrificed as the diamonds cut into it if you really want to get up through the wall. So go ahead, do a wider shot now back where you were, Drew, and if you would, Jeremiah, please center that. Now we're going to center it. And there's some markings on the head there that shows where center is, full left, full right. All right, so we're centered. He's going to tighten the head again. And now I'm going to show you the versatility of the machine. This is a 12-inch head, as I stated. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 12-inch head off, and in less than a minute, I'm going to pop this 12-inch shroud off, and I am going to put a 20-inch shroud on the machine in less than a minute. Now, this is the 20-inch metal bond plate. It has 9 diamonds, and again, the same diamonds that you would use on the middle of the floor you're doing the edge work. And we're able to still move the head left or right. Now, there's a little bit of weight to this plate, so we've got a locator pin. So one guy can literally install the plate, be hands-free now, and line up the screws. And what you've got now is, and just for lack of demonstration, I'm going to use 2 screws instead of 4. But what you have in less than a minute is the ability to go from 12-inch to 20-inch, and you can still move the plate left and right to get your edge work done. Now, the versatility part of this machine is taken off. Let me just put this locator pin back in. I can take off the 20-inch plate, and this is the beauty about that locator pin. I don't have to hold it. I get that off, and now I can turn this machine into a 20-inch burnisher. This is a 20-inch burnisher pad driver and lock. And what we're able to do is make the machine a burnisher now. And we have a lock on it. And a 19-inch pad literally fits on this now. And that's the genius behind it. Now, if you ask what RPM does this spin at, the plate will spin at 1800 RPM. The reason for it is because, Drew, if you just pan down here for a second, it's because we have a 7.5 horsepower 3-phase motor that is strong and powerful enough to spin this plate at 1800 RPM. Now, if that's, just get the locator pin back up. And let's get this burnisher plate off. There you go, Jeremiah. Now, for you guys that are doing some garage floor work or anywhere that you need a scrub brush, this is the next beautiful thing that you can do is you can install a scrub brush. So you can see how versatile it is. Now for you guys that are trying to get some grease and grime off garage floors or anything else like that, you can use any of the brushes. It's this plate that you can get from us from Dynamic Diamond Tooling to install any kind of these malice brushes or whatever brushes you're using. Now, the beautiful thing is we've also had a request obviously for a water system, because when you're using the scrub brush or Strata-Grit brushes, you want to be able to use a water system. So we've got a water system that we just came out with this year that has, that has a mister, and that mister fits right into the shroud, whether it be a 12-inch shroud or the 20-inch shroud. The mister will fit in. Then we take this hose and we literally feed it up through the vacuum hose right here, and then we can use a quick connect. When it reaches the handle, we put a quick connect on that, and we can either hook it up to a garden hose fitting. Can I have that garden hose fitting for a second, Jack? It's right there.
You want to roll the beast over?
Thank you.
Roll the water tank?
So you can put this quick connect on here, and then you can attach a garden hose, or you can use our cleverly designed 16-gallon tank Hydro Beast, which is battery operated. It's a 16-gallon tank. It's battery operated. It's got a Ryobi battery pack on it, so easily obtainable. 25 or 50-foot hose. We are going to put a reel on it. This is something that we're going to modify. It's got a side sprayer also for cleaning the machine, or if you need to spray tight areas where the tank won't go in or the shroud won't go in. And a nice handle that's pivoting and able to get you moving around anywhere you want to go. So that's the Hydro Beast, folks, and very, very nice to have on the job if you're a wet grinder, or if you need to do cleaning of garage floors with some of the brushes. So if you would, let me show you a few of the options that are available to you. Right here on the board, we have the 20-inch shroud, and we have a 20-inch metal bond plate with a 20-inch resin bond plate, and that is what we call the toe kick package. The cool thing about this this toe kick package right there is that shroud will get under toe kicks in the kitchens, under kitchen cabinets, or under low racking. You also can see the burnisher attachment on the bottom left there, and you can see the different brushes or Strata-Grit brushes that you may use. In addition, if you just pan up a little bit, Drew, on the far left, the 12-inch metal bond plate, and right next to it is a new thing that we've come out with, which is a scraper plate. It's got the carbide scrapers for glue removal, and next to that is the resin bond plates. So, and we're also showcasing the water system right above it, and the attachment on how it goes into the shroud. Now, Drew, if you just pan out over here to this side, a little more innovation, versatility, if you can believe it, this machine will handle a 27-inch burnisher driver pad. It's got a 27-inch burnisher shroud, and yes, the machine is powerful enough to handle spinning a 27-inch driver burnisher pad at 1800 RPM. If you take a look over here, Drew, show folks, this is a 2016 new innovation for us, a quick change system for the Beast. So we have quick change diamonds that fit onto the Beast, and you can see that we've got a quick change little lock here, which if you do hit the wall, prevents the diamonds from pulling out of the holders. So I hope I gave you a little bit of a description and the innovation of Dynamic Diamond Tooling Beast, and it also is available in propane and in gas.